What did you bring to the studio?
I've got some stuff. I've got a car too.
What have you got? That's little.
A little car.
Oh,
It's a Mini.
there's something I could have bought.
What have you got that's little?
Got new tyres.
Oh, yeah.
Got new tyres.
Yeah, you can
Just
still
thought
bring
of it now.
those.
I will. I might have to do a dash after. When you've got them distracted, I'll run
All right.
like the Thunders.
Yeah. So this is a brand new kit from Hasegawa.
Hasegawa.
It is a Mini, and a brand new Mini hasn't been produced for a long time.
How come?
And I don't know why.
And it's a late
But this
model
is a
Mini
modern
too.
one. That's right.
Well, it's not. I wouldn't call it modern.
Well, it's a
still
modern production.
It's still 25 years old.
Yeah. So it's a modern production. It's still got all the.
1997.
It's still got the basic shape.
It
of
would be the
original.
probably the last of the old world Minis
Yes.
before BMW bought them.
So this would have been produced by Rover, and these were heavily popular in Japan. I think most of them went to
Really?
Japan. The Japanese love their Minis, the
How
original
come?
size Minis.
Because they fit.
I don't know. I think they just the
Very-
design of it.
It's very colonial of them.
I don't know. I mean, they love all the small stuff.
They can fit in a
Even-
humidor.
Even little,
Humidor.
even Fiat, Bambinos and things like that. They love them.
Really?
Mm.
Little Fiat.
Yeah, 2CVs, I love them. They're a bit bigger than this, though.
Two
I saw one
CV.
driving around the other day. But this is
Did the guy have a moustache?
I couldn't see that close. If I did that, I probably would have had an accident.
Did it have a baguette hanging out the window?
That guy could have been eating a baguette.
Yeah, he would have been.
Yeah.
With a moustache.
You need a power to pedal the thing, right? So let's have a quick look inside because these are.
Are you going to
really
unbox
nice.
it?
Let's have a quick look see.
You're going to put it on blue mat?
Let's put it on blue mat and a bit of focus there. Let's get that prepared.
Go to Overhead Town.
There you go.
Then I can sneak in a sip of coffee without anybody noticing.
Oh, there you go. No one's going to see. Look at that. Box of bits. Now you're probably thinking, what's so good about getting a brand new?
Old Mini.
Yeah, that's right. Well, all the parts are super crisp. You
Crisp?
never think they could get any better, but they're just getting cleaner and cleaner.
So is
These are
this
all
a
the
new
clear
mold?
parts.
Is this a
Brand
new
new
mo-
mold.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I wonder
A
why.
2023 mold.
There you go.
Yeah.
So given that it will be crisp, because
Yeah.
obviously the technology and the manufacturing process has
Yeah.
come a long way.
Now things, I don't know if I'll be able to pick it up because
Because
these
it's
clear
so
bits,
crisp. They're so crisp and so clear.
it's going
And
to
they
be hard
put
to see. But these headlights, they actually got all the what do you call that? Like a Fresnel lens looking thing, where it splits up.
Fresnel lens.
There's little segments
cut,
in there.
I don't know, cut glass.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Reflectors.
It's really, really pronounced in these, but pretty really hard to see. It's got the white background as well,
It's even got the rear demister lines,
hasn't it?
which
How's
is
that? Is
funny
that better?
because the original Mini never had a rear demister. Never had a front demister. Mr.
Well, the modern
Demister.
one would have.
Mr. Demister.
So it's a bit hard to see there. So let's go back.
Too hard to see.
Look at this, all these bits, and then here's the body.
Show me your body. It's little.
Yeah, it is little because it's a little car.
It's smaller than a Ferrari.
Look at it, it's beautiful.
Oh,
And from here,
oh,
what?
you're on fire.
The rustling.
Yeah. Oh, Russell's back. Oh, Russell's back.
Let's see if we can get. Oh, that's really hard
You
to
just
focus.
talk amongst yourselves.
Let me try and focus that. Look, it's super crisp.
I'm
All
running
this.
off.
You see the lines across here, and you see the really fine protrusion on the arches. Got the rain gutter along the sides. Super, super clean. Really nice. If you're into your minis, you can't get any better than this one. And what else do we get? We get some really nice chrome. Chrome is something that's really improved over the years as well. You see the grille just there. Got the reflectors. Got the what do you call these? Light buckets.
Nobody panic.
Where do you go? Oh, you're back.
I don't need to scream because everybody
Okay.
can hear me for 500
Chassis
meters.
and then all your
As
interior. there.
crisp as I'm standing next to you.
Really?
Mm.
I reckon I'll be doing a open boxing so you can get a close look at all these. But
I'd ask you to
What are the
build one for
details?
the Model Expo 2024, but
what?
I know you're struggling to make deadlines already.
I always have a problem meeting deadlines. You got some GT stripes there for the bonnet,
It's funny that it's a GT stripe. There's nothing GT about it.
isn't it? And look at the bird walnut finish on these decals for the interior.
Bird.
Yeah,
Is that what you call it?
yeah, because there's birds that make all that squiggly.
I would
thing.
like to see you do a wood grain dashboard
You've seen me do wood grain before.
on my steering wheel on the comical.
Yeah, and other things too. Got a whole selection of numbers so you can do all your Japanese number plates that you like.
Why does it have to be Japanese?
Well, because they offer it to you in Japanese.
Oh,
And they do this, so if you got one of these, you can do
The
exactly the
Japanese
number plate
numbers
you
are the
got.
same as English numbers.
They do on their number plates, yeah. They use 2 writing systems for numbers.
Do they?
Yep. And so this is the, I don't know,
Numeric?
numeric. Do you call it Arabic? I don't know.
Arabic?
Isn't that where the alphabet came from? I don't know. We're getting into stuff that we don't even know what we're talking about. And then you've got some
It's called
custom.
called a Union Jack.
Yeah, what do you call that? Is that like a wrap from the inside?
Yeah, what's that for?
Yeah.
The fuel filler cap or the rock cover?
No,
console?
center console. Has to be a center console, wouldn't it?
What, an Union Jack?
Hmm.
It's a bit weird.
I don't know. One
Different.
of those things. So there you go. So those are modern bits of that.
Pizza.
Pizza.
That was good.
Was it good?
Nobody even noticed that I run away to get some stuff.
No. No one would have.
Seamless and professional. That's how we roll on a Friday afternoon.
Don't know why you had the professional bit. But there you go. That's the Mini Cooper.
By Hasegawa.
Hasegawa. Yeah, they're cool.
You
Really
say,
cool.
You say Hasegawa.
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 What?
It's no dumpling. We went out for dumplings the other night. They were good.
Imagine those dumplings were this size. When I was a kid, they used to have giant dumplings. They were called dim sims. You still get them, can't you?
They're still called.